Igue-Ehiozevbaru community for Odionwere local government area, Edo State, don't celebrate big event as them stop past Sunday Igbinedion Erhabor as the new Odionwere. The ceremony happened for the Igbinedion where elders, youths, and dignitaries for show face. This installation ceremony na big milestone for the history of Igue-Ehiozevbaru community, and it marked the beginning of better leadership and hope for the community. The installation ceremony followed the traditional rites and rituals where the elders carry out. As the installation they go on, they come also present hot drinks, native chalks, kola nuts, cowries, coconuts, soft drinks, and goats as a day for Benin tradition. After the traditional rite for inside the Igbinedion, them come also beautify the body of the Odionwere with native chalks. This now where the elders and youths come raise the hand of past Sunday Igbinedion Erhabor, where them take them round the community to show people. The event sweet everybody belle well as chop drinks also dey to entertain people from different communities wey come also join celebrate. The Odionwere pa Sunday Igbinedion Erhabor for in talk come appreciate the great Benin monarch of Benin Kingdom, Oba Eware II. He come still yarn say na unity and cooperation go make the community grow and say the community go good for am. The Odionwere of Uba community for in talk come thank Oba Eware and say peace go dey Igue-Ehiozevbaru community.
Odionwere no adoka ohedo yupo. Etine diawa no diere egwa e mado ya ka oherupo wana o. Egwa no ka oherupo ni ibi e makin. Ima be pe o. Ima dia gegwa o be dia me magame o. Kedene na pa to afure ni ma ya pe. O afure ni Igue-Ehiozevbaru. O afure nuga.
The Okagele for the community, Comrade Osadolo Osage Ohomba, come also thank the great monarch of Benin Kingdom, Oba Eware II. He come thank the chiefs and youths of Igue-Ehiozevbaru community.
I thank the Omonoba of Benin, Oba Eware II, for the good job they have done for the people of Igue-Ehiozevbaru, for giving us an authentic Odionwere. We thank the Omonoba. Today we have installed our Odionwere, the authentic Odionwere of Igue-Ehiozevbaru community. And I use this video to thank my Odionwere for making me the Okagele of Igue-Ehiozevbaru community. I thank the new elders who are here present, both the one at home, both the one outside.
Other people we talk to are to real people come here and say
Igogo egweno rimaya gwaye ezona we epage Igbinedion Odionwere and ma bibo ye ke ma dole ye rimaya bana wai ba wai usabo ade ba son sabo ade ba avant no ye boy ma ye ke the ma dole wona ye.
I am very grateful over this coalition of the Odionwere community. Today, Oba has given us Erhabor to be the head of this Erhabor Igbinedion of this community. So we are indeed very grateful for the Oba. He has helped us to do what we are supposed to do. Today, I know from now henceforth that Igue-Ehiozevbaru community will be a better place to stay.
From Igue-Ehiozevbaru community, for Edo State. Na Chukwuebuka Luke Nnaji Jr. They bring on this story for GTV Nigeria.